Welcome to the AI Voice Agent Builder platform. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to create, configure, test, and publish your own AI voice agent step by step. The goal of this platform is simple: to help you build an agent that can handle real business calls, follow your instructions, capture the right information, and respond in a way that matches your business needs. Let's begin with the first step. To get started, complete the one-time registration process for the AI Voice Agent Builder platform. You'll need to enter your company name, your full name, your business email, and create a secure password. Once your registration is complete, you'll be taken into the platform where you can start building your agent. The first important section is the Builder page. This is where you explain what your agent needs to do. You can describe the role of the agent, how it should behave during calls, what kind of information it should capture, and how it should guide the conversation. For example, your agent may need to book appointments, collect customer details, answer common questions, qualify service requests, or update callers about dispatch or scheduling. You can also define industry-specific guidelines, explain how the agent should handle edge case calls, and add every small detail that matters to the behavior of your agent. This step is important because the more clearly you define the agent's role, the better it can perform on live calls. Once you have added the core instructions, move to the Configure page. Here, you'll give your agent a name. You'll also add the time zone for your business, so the agent understands time-related conversations correctly. If you already have a Twilio number, you can add it here as well. This step is optional, but it is useful if you want to connect the agent with a live calling number. Next, choose a voice for your agent. You'll see a drop-down with a series of available voices. You can listen to the preview audio for each voice and select the one that best fits your business. Choose a voice that feels natural for your audience. For example, a healthcare agent may need to sound calm and reassuring, while a service business agent may need to sound clear, confident, and efficient. After selecting the voice, set the greeting your agent should use every time it receives a call. This greeting is the first thing your caller will hear, so keep it simple, professional, and aligned with your business. Now, in VoiceLayr AI, you can add more context for your agent. This includes relevant keywords that are important to your business, such as appointment booking, dispatch updates, service request, customer support, or any other terms your agent should understand clearly. You can also provide detailed system instructions that guide how the agent should speak, what it should prioritize, how it should respond to callers, and what information it should collect. Once this section is complete, click Save. After saving your configuration, move to the Information page. This is where you define the data fields your agent needs to ask for during the call. For example, you may want the agent to capture the caller's name, address, email, phone number, service requirement, preferred appointment time, or any other business-specific information. This section also includes an additional validation layer. That means the system can check the caller's response against the data field you have defined. So, if the agent asks for an email address and the caller gives an incomplete or invalid answer, the agent can ask for that information again. This helps reduce errors and makes sure the information collected during the call is clean, complete, and useful for your team. Next, go to the Tools page. If your agent needs to work with any third-party tools, this is where you can set up those integrations. For example, if your agent needs to source customer details from a CRM, update records, or connect with another business system, you can add the required CRM or tool details here. And if you need help with this part, our team can help you set it up properly. Once your agent setup is complete, go to the Preview section. This is where you can test the agent before publishing it. You can interact with the agent, check how it responds, see whether it captures the right information, and confirm whether the conversation feels natural and useful. If something needs to be changed, you can go back to the Configure section and update the agent's instructions, voice, greeting, context, or behavior. This testing step is important because it helps you refine the agent before it starts handling real users. Once everything looks correct, click Save and then publish the agent. After publishing, you can get a public view URL for the same agent you have built. This URL allows others to access or review the agent, depending on how you want to use it. Finally, you can go to the Conversations page. This page shows each call session your agent has had with callers. You can review conversations, understand what callers asked, check what information was captured, and use those insights to improve the agent over time. And that's it. You have now created, configured, tested, and published your AI voice agent. With the AI Voice Agent Builder platform, you can design agents that understand your business, follow your process, capture the right details, and support your team during real customer conversations. Start by building one simple agent for one clear use case. Test it, improve it, and then expand it into more workflows as your business grows. With VoiceLayr AI, let's experience a faster, smarter, and more consistent way of handling business calls with AI. Thank you for watching.